So guys, you see what my neighbor over here, they've got a car service. And I was washing my car, so he apparently asked me that he will help me doing it. And I'll show you what they do exactly. And if you all really need a home service, somebody to clean your car, you can definitely contact them. A very genuine guys. I'll show you their services. That's their contact detail over here. And that's their services name, Ashish Car Welting. And that's my car. He's helping me. That's my neighbor. And that's his son. I was cleaning and he just helped me out to clean my car for me. So sweet of it. Look how the car has been completely foamed. And this is what they do. They come at home and they do it for you. And it's a very reasonable price, I would say, guys. Very reasonable. But you want to take care of your car. You want to clean it once a month, a very shiny, good look. This is how they're going to make it look for you. You don't get it normally at the service stations where you go. So guys, if anyone gives you a call and then they say they call you in recommendation of K2N family, you give 10% discount, yeah? Yeah, of course. Yeah? 10% discount that you will give. I'll ask the bossman. Bossman, 10%. Bossman. Legitly, guys, I'll tell you what, yeah, it's not easy to have a neighbors like this one. It's for the first time that I have a neighbor so charming, like then they could do it, things like that for me. Out of blue, he was cleaning his car. He just asked me, like, get your car parked over here. We'll clean it. Usually that's the business. They do it for their living. And honestly, it's very good price. So I'll say they live in Sweden and they do around places as well. So I will put the contact number you have seen, you will be seeing in the video, on the ad, on the van, they have the number. I'll put it on the description link as well. So please, if you want a home services for yourself to come, somebody to give a clean, please give a call. And you can find out the prices for them. They will give you a very good prices. And definitely, as I said, and they said it, they can give you a 10% discount if you say it's from K2N family. Look at the shine, guys. Awesome. Really worth it. And that's the services, Ashish Car Welting. So friends, I just finished washing the car. My neighbors, he helped me. Very genuine people who helped us. The reason why I was cleaning is because we are planning to go for a safari park and I have a lot of things to do. We have a shopping to do. Nadia have to pick up Nadia also from work. And we have to get ready also. So the thing is, I'm going to go start preparing all the things that I need. If I can do a small video of what I'm going to do, then I will do it. If not, then I will get you guys after that. And so guys, by the way, you know, this guys who does the car wash, it's really genuine and very legit, very good service. I mean, they come to your home and they clean. It does really good, very nice. They come to home and very good service, very reasonable price. I did not wanted him to wash the car or anything. I started washing outside. He was washing his and he just said, like, come over. I mean, you don't get that many neighbors like that who will come and do that things for you. But that's his business. So that's why I just felt of like, okay, to say like, okay, at least through my this and 10% discount K2N family subscription subscriber and then you'll get 10% discount. Okay, chalo bhai. I'll see you all later.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel K2N family, and today we are going to go for a picnic at the zoo. We are going to travel by 2 hours and I'll see you there.
Are you excited going?
Yes.
Yes. And here my small chirmuri choy daga. Hello. I'm going to picnic. So yeah guys, today we are going for a outing. We are going in a safari park. We are going West Midlands Safari Park, and summer holidays. You don't get a lot to do with Angels. She like, you know, we usually go out like that, but now that we moved away, work patterns change. A lot of things have changed. You all have known about these things. And we did not get that much of time to do this. And angel says, very pretty angel. Mama made a dress.
Unicorn bag.
Unicorn bag, yeah. See, Nadia packing good pala. Let's say Nadia packing good. Oh, baby, what are you doing?
Picnic bag.
Picnic bag. Say, pao gele, chow gele. Like, you know, typical. I'm going. How we used to go for picnic? We said, you buy things, but we don't prefer to buy a lot from out. What necessarily we buy, because they get like what the mac and cheese, burgers, all those stuff. Nothing. I'm going to buy na shitkodi bhi tasali. Yeah, I'm not taking. We're not taking shitkodi, but yeah, roast must be did. We'll show you later.
Bread.
And that's Maria. Huh? Maria leopard dala. And also Dr. Maria. Oh.
No.
Nanje, kije? Huh? Huh? Kide?
I think he's
Over. How is style gutta?
Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom his love comes me, ever this day, thee of my sight, like to God, to rule and guide, amen. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High, rest assured of the Lord. Whoever goes to law for safety. Holy Father, Son, Holy Spirit, as was released.
We stopped with services now. Yeah. What is the services? I don't know what is it called here. Go and find out. There's a short break over here because we are very early, and here is Angel. Come. And that's my Lappy. Holy. Eta? Okay. Oi? Yo. So I told Angel, this is the safari park that we have come for. See, Angel?
This is not even a safari park.
Yeah, it is. You see, the cars are moving.
No,
Yeah, there might be some animal coming here. There's a bird over there.
That animals are not. Birds are not animals.
What are they then? Arey, कहना क्या चाहते हो?
They're just like, I don't know, but they're not animals.
Come here. Knew the weather would be not really good. Always be ready. Ready, hello. We've got jackets with us.
I'm also ready. I've bought my pants.
Yes, she got her pants also. So you never know, yeah. By the time you go, it might be very sunny also. So now we're looking for that. Let's see what happens. And here he is. Angel, are you cold?
Yes.
You got your jacket with you?
I forgot. Mama.
You forgot? That's why Mama always... We are following the ranger. Special tour we are having. So that's a small safari bus tour that we have. It is at 11:45 what we booked the slot. We're just going to see our safari tour tickets now. How it's going to be. We will have this adventure to coming home. Lendi hai saheba. So guys, we're going for the safari park now.
Can I do it?
Yeah, go.
I know. Let's try again.
Go. Oh. So look at this, such a big horns. It's called an Ankoli cattle. Goan bhi alal gera aur ya mutalo eka. Angel, what? So you see this, guys, yeah, the ranger just told me the lioness, they do everything, and the lions, they rest for 22 hours and 2 hours only they work. And now you see this lioness, they are going to hunt, and they are bossy like John me hota gaya bada bhai lapda John hatto gaya bada. So this is another breed of rhinoceros. They are specially brought from India, the Indian rhinoceros. Looks like was our peon tides and utkha padga but har mukha chaila tege bail ha chaya kesko rahul ditega. And you see, this is the female rhinoceros tege bail kesko rahul pe jaktiga tege mata thi adit pet.
Rhinos, yeah, the Indian rhinos are excellent swimmers, and they have a swimming pool at the back of their house.
Guys, this is really amazing. Honestly, I'll tell you my honest review. It's so beautiful to see animals so closely, because you're encountering animals so closely, and it's very fortunate to be like this to see, because you only get to see in the wilds. And if you go to Africa and those kind of places, but being in the UK, if I'm watching this like this, it's really nice. I highly recommend it, guys. So please do visit at this kind of places. It's very nice.
Don't scare.
So guys, the houses that you see behind, those are actually lodges. You can book them to stay and have an overnight experience in the safari parks. You have a nice balcony, you can have a nice view from there. Early morning breakfast. Only the thing is, I think you got to book in advance. It's on their website. So if you go on their website, you'll get to know. But I will tell you the experience will be to the next level. So we had this safari experience, very nice. Guys, so if you all come over here, you all can have to book these tickets online in hands before. We were very lucky to get, somebody probably did not turn up and we could get those tickets for us.
What the minibus?
Yeah, because with the same ride we will do with the car as well. But what happens is when you go with this safari riders, with those rangers, they take you off-roading as well.
Limca.
So they take you off-roading as well, and best thing is like what happens, you can, the enclosure is too close, you can feed them, they tell you which are harmful, which are not dangerous animal. So that's one. I never knew that zebras, they bite. I think they told me before. Angel, how you felt feeding them?
Good.
Huh?
Good. When I did it with the bull, I thought he would, what do you say that again?
Arey kehna kya chahte ho?
See, this one is doing roast bread now.
Yeah, we bought some bread. Yesterday only we had, like, I wanted to do that also. Video, I have the video. So what we did yesterday, we did some shopping. We brought some fruits.
Yeah, basically we have this bag.
Yeah, we got this bag, nice bag, like picnic bag.
Yeah, from Home Bargain we got
Home Bargain, very cheap we got it,
yeah.
for 6 pounds something. Not
6
really.
pounds, yeah.
So yeah, we got that one and a bread the roast bread we just had a bar. So before we heading out, and we don't eat this in the middle. So yes, and the roast mas banana hai. Bada roast mas.
Show the roast mas.
So we are just walking towards some gallery over here. This is a food court, nice food courts down around. A souvenir shop as well. Let's go experience some
Discovery Trail.
We have two of the sea lion keepers here. However, we're human. We're boring. Whoever he is. His name is Bunty. My God. He went so strong, let's give him a cheer. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give him a cheer for showing us. Well done, you Bunty. His name is Callum. I'm a better trainer than I thought. County manage.
Crocodile, pink crocodile.
What is that?
Yeah.
Crocodile.
Hey, boo boo. You can feed it. Yeah. Go on, Angel. Okay, take the feed from my hand.
Come on.
Yeah? They don't do nothing. They don't do nothing. Hold it. Don't get scared. If you get scared, then is a trouble. Hold. Let them sit. Don't worry. Don't worry. Come on. This is a really nice experience also, yeah? Sit on the chair. Okay. You come, see?
Nothing they're doing, see, nothing.
Very good, very good, very good. See? Angel is breathing. Oh my God.
Wow.
So come here. I will have more. Let's see one more baby. No, don't worry, don't worry. Oh, they're fighting, they're fighting. They're fighting. They're fighting. Huh? So guys, here now we are entering to the world of dinosaurs. It's beautiful, made over here artificially. See, Angel because some bottle I think dinosaur face looks very nice. This really made me feel of watching that movie I was telling Nadia about what the Jurassic World that we watched. Nice for kids, you know, you can feel that experience. They're all artificial, but you can't make out like, you know, how good they have made this art. Really looks nice, and they have the sound effects also going on over there. Very nice. Yeah, so let's show you the Jurassic movie. Recapturing the moment from the Jurassic movie, the guy sitting in the toilet where the dinosaurs comes and just hunts him down over there. So that's a feel. And that's the kid shows that's happening over here. And there's some fossils as well over here that you can see at 2 places. This is one of those. See that snake, yeah? Half of the skin he's shading it off. So how there's a new skin, there is a half skin also is gone off from him.
Such a huge one.
I am not ever gonna pet it.
And see here.
I am not gonna pet it.
Either or just one? One steak.
Mama and Angel are gone on this. It's raining, but still they are gone on it.
It's a pego. away. Oh my, sorry, it's going too fast, man. Oh my God. Oh. Yes, yes, behind me. Angel. See, mama. Angel, you're having fun? Guys, you see this experience of roller coaster, yeah? We're going to be taking the part in this now. Looks easy, but it is not. Scared for the roller coaster?
Oh my God, nothing can do.
Nothing, we already have to go. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय
Are you guys excited?
Yes. This one is not going to be.
I'm excited too.
You excited, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. The kids are going to make some noise.
Wait, no, not yet.
If I scream, I
Wait, I'm waiting for the appropriate time. You have to do it.
I'm not doing it. No matter what.
Ready? Wait.
Guys, you know what? I'm standing in what? The drying machine. There's a drying machine over here. You dry yourself. It was raining very much. And so we got snow. I can get it. Angel see. All of it. So definitely not what this we're going to do. We're just going to dry now. 4 pounds to dry your own self.
So we paid 8 pounds.
We paid 8 pounds, double the price. It's all the rides and all, like, you know, raining, so we did not do the whole ride, just 3 of them. So guys, we just finished with these rides and all. We really did not get to do a lot of rides because the weather did not support, honestly. Like, the weather started drizzling. But we did few excited rides. Roller coaster we did for the first time. Me and Nadia, even Angel was there. So we did roller coasters, few of the rides we did, but we could not make the video of all the rides that we were doing because it was raining also. Some of the, and so phone bhi main pedya tha, main to nafto ek pedya dhala mein gel season hai soch. So cha keli bisti inga tha bosano, like we had bought some hot water, made some tea, had some coffee earlier inside over there. So wanted to have black tea, nice. So making a black tea, and now we are heading back.
We changed our clothes also.
Yeah, Angel
also changed.
Yeah, they changed their clothes. They had worn their clothes. I don't know t-shirt. I have jacket. My jacket is there, but there is one that place. No, we dried ourselves. You put money, 4 pounds for 4 minutes something, and the dryer goes like a boot. You go and stand over there, and it's just like a.
Hi French. Hi French.
Okay.
Hi, French. Shamai, you like it? Like Jalduka? Like? Share kar, share. Subscribe. So friends, I'll meet you all now. Back once I reach home, and then we'll see what we do after that. Hello friends, and welcome back again to our channel K2 and Family. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God. So here I am. We are not going to take a lot of time from here because we're really big, and we're going to make this very short and sweet. the overall the highlight is that Safari Park was very brilliant, very nice. End of the session, but we did not leave it. We enjoyed the best. We paisa vasool kele ami, but it was not enough of time for us to do that. So guys, that place is beautiful. What's the name of this place? Safari. It's West Midlands Safari Park. So very beautiful, guys. Do visit it. I mean, like, we have been to Woburn as well before.
Woburn also is nice.
Woburn also is nice. The safari, we do get to do safari, but there are no rides over there.
Yes.
Yeah, no, hardly. So
and
here
Woburn, you cannot feed the animals.
Yeah, you can't feed. We did feeding of animal. Angel did it so nice. Oh, I was so proud of Angel doing it because I did not know Angel te musa bitainga.
I did not do.
Yeah, but yeah, Angel and that parrot also. Not parrot, there's some kind of birds. They're not the parrot breed, I guess so. But they were sitting on Angel. So first, that video we had, she was making that feed also. But the last one, two parrots, they came and started fighting. And Angel, they just bile. But overall, the experience was very good, very nice. We enjoyed it. You enjoyed it.
Of course.
We hope we get the chance to do. Even Mama
we might go again for the rides maybe because that was amazing.
Mama bololi ride
Later on, they were sitting in one of the restaurants because it was raining and we couldn't take Kisha outside.
Yeah.
So they were inside. Yeah.
Yeah, because that helped a lot. But guys, overall, it was very nice. Good family time. We enjoyed it very much. Yeah, it's a beautiful time. And the best thing is like we did not show you all because the video so we have light bit snacks what we took and it was more than enough for us. We just bought some little bit of food from there, coffees and all, but it's not worth it. Normal coffees, very expensive. It's not about not being expensive. If you buy from Costa, it's alright. Like £3.50, £4 for a coffee is okay. Those are just normal coffee cups and you charge me like £4.50 something for that coffee. I was not worth at all. But anyways, you have to buy sometimes what you need to buy. That's not a point. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you all watched this video completely, thank you so much for showing your love and respect for us. If you really like this video, please do share with your family and friends so they also can take the advantage of watching this video and even taking the good feedback from this safari park. And for now, stay safe. God bless you all. And our final word to say, adios.